Hello guys, now I'm in the Phuket, Thailand. I will walk in the Bangla Road, most famous road in the Patong Beach. I want to show you all the crazy things here, but we have to pass the road first. Let's go. I think they're not gonna stop. Oh my god. Too busy. Time is like 10 p.m. here. So many people. So many people here. There's a kebab place. Guys, today is so busy. I cannot believe my eyes. It's my second day in Thailand. I'm coming first time here. And those days it's really busy here because last month just finished the rain season. Now here there's a show. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy, street food, everything you can find here. I'm wondering still. Bangla Road Phuket. What do you think about this road?
I think that a lot of people everything is
So crowded, right? Expensive, right?
yes, very messy. And you can find everything here.
Like what? Everything like what?
Like food, nightclub.
Yeah, there's a people show also. There's a couple show. Couple show. $10 more or less shows. Over 18 shows, a little bit expensive, like $20 or something. Very old. baht, like $2. Amazing. There is a Muay Thai shop also. This Spider-Man is very famous. I know Spider-Man. That was close. Yeah, I will go on the internet. I know. So, mom. You can find Christian, your back, patty, everything super cheap. What the heck is that? Yeah, so funny. Lovely. There is a restaurant brand. That's my favorite. McDonald's. By the way, this day you can find many Russian people here. Too many countries people you can see here. Yeah, this guy, if you wanna sketch on it, you have to pay just to the tip box and you can sketch whatever you like. It's briefing actually. Yeah, it's so funny. Very good idea actually. It's very good idea to earn money. Amazing idea. So funny, man. First you have to pay. Yeah, he doesn't like that she doesn't pay. Already we came to end, I think. Yeah, this is the end. So guys, I tried to show you Bangla Road. It's amazing. Amazing road actually. I never see like this place in the world. Not normal. Yeah, end of the road.